Hi guys, today we'll show you how to replace the marker light and turn signal light in GMC Savana and Chevrolet Express. In order to remove the light assembly, we'll need to use a long flat screwdriver. It needs to be inserted in this slot opening, and I'll try to show you. You need to push on the clip on the light, which is located right here. So this is where approximately you have to push in order to remove the light assembly. As you can see, there are two hooks on the other side that hold the assembly in place, so obviously you cannot remove it from this side. Right here you will see two connectors for the bulbs. To remove the bulb, you need to turn counterclockwise, and now you will be able to take the bulb out. This is the socket. Insert the new bulb and put it back in. Similar idea with the second bulb. You can disconnect the connector this way and remove the bulb the same way, turn it counterclockwise. This is a bulb that is used in this case. Insert the new bulb and put it back in. To reinsert the assembly, first insert the left side and the right side simply gets pushed in.